Today we are going to draw the letters D, E, and F with some vegetables and fruits. Get your pencils ready and let's get started. First we draw the letter D. Then we draw a daikon underneath it.
Sleeping, are you sleeping, Brother John, Brother John? Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.
Next we draw the letter E.
Ding, dang, dong.
Then we draw an eggplant underneath it. After that, we draw the letter F.
Are you sleeping, Brother John, Brother John?
Then we draw a fig underneath it.
Morning bells are ringing, ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John?
Now let's color our drawing.
Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are
Red.
ringing, ding, dang, dong.
You can choose any colors you like for your drawing.
Are you sleeping, Brother John, Brother John? Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong.
Green. I colored the daikon yellow.
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho.
The daikon is a long white root vegetable that grows underground.
Farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the
Yellow.
dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the
Daikons are rich in nutrients and are often used in healthy meals.
wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse.
Orange.
The dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog
Green.
cat. The cat takes
I color the eggplant purple with a green stem.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat.
Eggplants are often purple and are used in many delicious meals.
The mouse takes the cheese.
Purple.
The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese.
Eggplants are vegetables that help us eat a healthy and balanced diet.
The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Pink. Green. I colored the fig green. Figs are sweet fruits that grow on fig trees. Figs are sweet and full of fiber, which is good for digestion. Great job today, kids! Today we learn D. Daikon, E. Eggplant, F. Fig. We also learned that daikons grow underground, eggplants grow on plants, and figs grow on fig trees. Thanks for drawing with me today. Now it's time to take a picture. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with